Before operating the panel, please ensure that the hose is properly connected and sufficient water has been added to the tub, and then open the valve switch. First, turn on the power switch. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to turn on the machine. The refrigeration indicator light will start flashing, and the machine will perform a self-check. After 3 minutes, the flashing will stop and the cooling function will begin. If there's no operation on the panel for 1 minute, it will lock. To unlock, press and hold both the power button and the down button for 3 seconds. Temperature setting, use the up and down buttons to set the target temperature. If there is no operation for 5 seconds, the temperature setting will be locked. Parameter setting, in the monitoring state, press and hold both the up and down buttons for 3 seconds to enter the administrator interface. Use the up or down button to select the parameter to be set, either the hysteresis F1 or the temperature correction F2. Press the power button briefly to enter the parameter and use the up and down buttons to adjust the parameter value.